Good day, everyone. Pamela Curtis. Welcome to Garden Reply. I have two questions today. How are the geraniums doing, and what is fresh in the gardens? I'm going to answer the second question. What is fresh is this beautiful wreath, and I'll give you all the information below on this wreath. This is, of course, a Forsythia wreath, and I'm so thrilled to have it in the gardens because it really represents what's going on this time of year and what is available in the gardens this time of year. So the second one is, how are the geraniums doing? Well, they're doing great. I have some steps that I have to do to get them looking their best. But if you'd like an update and the backstory on my passion for geraniums, you could check out our House and Gardens channel for all of that. In the meantime, thanks for joining us. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe.